Utilization of honey and cinnamon to fix weight and sore throat. A mix of honey and cinnamon can fix different pollutions. Various individuals are stressed over cumbersomeness nowadays. Weight can be effortlessly reduced by utilizing honey and cinnamon. A spot of cinnamon powder in a glass of murmured water. Add to some degree spoonful of honey to it and drink it consistently while starving. Obliging in weight decline. Breakfast can be anticipated in the following 30 minutes. Honey, moreover, goes most likely as a sanitizer plant, which can be significant in sensitive throat. A flush blended in with a teaspoon of stripped ginger, the juice of a few lemons, and a teaspoon of honey in a piece of some water can ease sore throats. The mix of honey and cinnamon has been utilized to treat different disorders. Can be. As per thriving, well-informed authorities, honey is significant in different hardships. Cinnamon forestalls the improvement of microorganisms or advancements in the body. The benefits of this blend are as per the going with. Cold and hack, heat a huge spoonful of honey and blend it in with a quarter spoonful of cinnamon powder. Utilization of this blend is helpful in hack and windedness. For going uncovered, a little spoon of honey and a little spoon of cinnamon blended in with warm olive oil is huge for going uncovered or baldness. Apply this stir on the head prior to tidying up. Leave it on for 15 minutes. Beginning there forward, wash the hair with a pleasant cleaning specialist. Cholesterol stays low. Honey and cinnamon are helpful for heartbeat and cholesterol patients. Individuals experiencing these pollutions ought to consistently deal with their eating plan. Blend a little spoon of cinnamon powder and a little spoon of honey. Add this mix to a couple of pieces of water or a glass of water and drink it. It is viewed as steady in reducing cholesterol levels. Tolerating that the worm nibble honey and cinnamon have clean properties. Blend honey and cinnamon powder in tepid water and make glue. Apply it with respect to the body where the bug has eaten. Obliging in causticity, honey and cinnamon are helpful in indigestion, acid reflux, and danger. Blending honey and cinnamon powder before each dinner gives help from heartburn or indigestion. To shed nail skin, break out. Make a thick glue of cinnamon and honey. Apply it on the pimples and nail pimples and leave it on for 15 minutes and sometime later wash it off with cold water. Doing this cycle 2 or multiple times consistently will protect you from nail pimples generally. Direct skin. Honey is a decent cell support. Drinking it dependably assists with flushing out different poisons from the body. The sterile properties of honey are significant in making the skin grasp areas of strength for a sound heart. Clinical examination reports that the cell fortresses in honey guard the stalk courses from restricting. Confining of the sections can instigate cardiovascular frustrations, mental corruption, or cerebral desolations. Completing 2 to 3 tablespoons of honey with a glass of water normal can protect against different issues. Better memory. Clinical specialists have seen honey huge in mental strain. Honey is likewise helpful in extra memory. The calcium in honey is helpfully consumed by the cerebrum, which well impacts mental capacities. Useful for the stomach. Being a sanitizer. Drinking a spoonful of honey while starving security against different diseases related to the stomach-related framework. Honey additionally recuperates various little injuries in the body by taking out risky microorganisms. Dry scalp. Washing hair with honey is valuable in dry scalp. Its utilization reestablishes the sponginess of the scalp. To dispose of dry scalp, honey ought to be blended in with tepid water and utilized on the head for 2 or 3 minutes. Solid, safe construction. Honey is rich in polyphenols, thus the protected arrangement of the body is reinforced. By utilizing honey normal, the immune framework is upheld. In this manner, torments can be effectively protected. Antibacterial. Research has uncovered that honey has bacterial properties. Drinking it kills horrendous moments living creatures in the stomach.